Alright, what is up, YouTube? We're out here tonight working on my Mustang. I just have it in a car tent right now. It's the Fox Body Chop Shop. Basically, we're going to be ripping the wide body kit off of the car because we need to shed some weight and we need to see what's under it. Clean up the rust. Probably have to weld in some sheet in some places. But honestly, it'll look better too once it's all done. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright guys, so if you don't know, lots of these Mustang GTs come with this weird looking like wide body thing, rubber body ugliness. So we're gonna get rid of it all. It's just plastic, it's like, or it's rubber I guess, it's like thick plastic rubber, it weighs a lot. Let's get rid of it.
I just rolled up, I have no clue what's going on. We're working on the car, doing something.
Tearing the wide body kit off.
Tearing the wide body kit off, that's what we're doing. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool, I can get behind that. It looks ugly anyway.
Yeah, dude, it sucks. I just started ripping it off.
It's about time. It took you long enough.
I know, I just started
to decide to do it.
Tearing it off, and it doesn't look too bad under there.
Yeah, nice.
That's just like the support for it, though. Bad lighting. But, the front, some of the front bolts are C's, so I think I'm gonna have to cut them. This guy's pretty much off too. It's just one behind the tire that we gotta
Just give her a little.
We gotta get the tire off to do. But Jord, I just talked to him and he says we're doing the beaver pond this weekend. Is that correct?
Hell yeah, man! It's Sunday. I got Sunday off work.
Nice. I've been bugging him and he wants to put the 350 in. I'm like, man, everyone wants the beaver pond video. We gotta get it out. We gotta get it out before the 350 goes in.
Yeah, I guess the motor's not going anywhere, so we got time.
Ruin the 4-liter. I got tons of exhaust piping out there. Well done.
Perfect. Hope you got a 90, then we're good to go.
Oh, we can make a 90.
Oh yeah, perfect. We don't need flow, just bend.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so be prepared for that. But we're going to
continue ripping this thing off.
Yeah, we're gonna get to work here. I'm probably gonna make George jack up the rear and pull the wheels.
Oh, classic.
And then we'll probably just try to get in the front with the grinder because I don't feel like pulling the front wheels too. But yeah, we're just gonna start ripping it apart. Well, guys, finally got that piece that goes along there off. It was a freaking nightmare to pull this thing off. They stick that stuff on there good. That's a solid 4 or 5 pounds at least right there, probably 5 pounds. But it sent me right into my freaking fluids here, my parts shelf, and I took it out. I knew it was gonna happen. Yanking on the thing so hard. Anyways, we're just gonna keep going.
Alright, so undoing the bolts just wasn't happening. Snapped the bit, so now we're resorting to the old death wheel there.
Let's see how much. Okay, it's kind of dark.
Oh no, it's good.
We need more extension cords. Limited lighting, limited everything out here. Alright, so yeah, we broke a bit on this bolt here. And I don't like it when bolts break my tools. It's just a little Phillips, but god damn, that thing's tight. So we'll take the wheel of death. Never wear safety glasses when operating one of these. Terrible idea. And cut it off. Trick is to hack it as best you can.
That took like an hour. Are you certified on that thing or what?
Nope. Yeah, it wasn't a very good angle, but hey, we got it out. We even pulled some of the fender with it.
That's called weight reduction.
Where's my woodworking hammer? Mint woodworking hammer will fix that. All better. All right, there's another one down here. I don't really want to cut it. Let's see if we can just
Just step on it.
just rip it. Oh, we might have to cut it.
Oh man. Oh yeah. It's a good body kit right there.
This thing's about 4 inches off the ground, but we're gonna get under her and cut it.
Well, you are.
Dude, I was under there taking those other screws out, and the exhaust is a mess, dude. We must have hit it on the trailer or something. Like this pipe.
Oh, I guarantee you we hit it on the trailer.
This pipe used to be back here, and it's like all crunkled in. It's sitting on my subframe connector.
I've watched you hit it on the trailer.
Yeah, it's sitting on my subframe connector.
Oh.
We'll have to fix that.
Well, hammer's right there. So,
dude, I was cutting that. I couldn't even look at all the plastic I took with it. I couldn't even see where the bolt was. My headlamp's so dead. All right.
Nice. Anyway, we're gonna get back to it here.
Cut the other one blind as fuck and do the same thing.
You sure you can't just rip it
Oh,
off?
there's another one. God, there's a lot in this thing. There's another freaking screw.
Number 87.
Oh, this is the one that wasn't coming. It's spinning, but it's not coming out. Here, push down while I spin it. Actually, yeah.
On the thing?
Don't crush my hand.
Well, okay. Like on this thing?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It should come out. My hand. There she goes.
Oh, yeah. Jesus.
Is that another 2.5, 3 pounds?
Here, grab that thing, Tyler.
Oh, yeah. Well, look how thick they make it. It's freaking rubber, man.
Here, stand up with that thing.
It's like, that thing's another 5, 10 pounds right here.
Fuck,
It's almost as tall as me.
Yeah. It's at least a good 4 feet.
Once we get all of this off, we'll probably lose 100 pounds. That's a whole knee. We'll lose a whole knee. It's like I'm not even in the driver's seat anymore. It's just going down the track.
Yeah.
All right, well, what do you think, George? Do we pull the wheels or do we try and just rip it off?
I mean, depends how much you care about the bottom rolled side of your fenders.
Nice to get the grinder in there. We need a Sawzall, George.
Shit, I could have brought one.
I gotta buy one. You got one at home? Oh, there
Thanks.
goes a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, I think we're pulling this wheel off.
Alrighty. Sounds like a plan. Tyler grinding on the same bolt for 10 minutes, round 2.
Yeah, we already got one. Huffing rubber. 1988 rubber. Now we got 2 more to cut. The last one's gonna be a bit hairy. We'll see how this middle one goes, but here we go. Not gonna happen.
You see, for peak performance, put the grinder in the wheel hole while it's still on.
Yeah, see, I was trying to get that last one, but I got an idea. I still got another idea.
In case you haven't figured it out yet, we decided that the grinder's a lot faster than screwdrivers.
Yeah, well, those ones are so tight. I was debating on cranking the wheel to the left or the right. Cutting it out that way. That means I have to start it, otherwise we're going to have power steering fluid everywhere. So that'd be the most logical thing, but I got one more idea. I think I'm coming to the back. Trying to see if I can get back, way back under here. Oh yeah, here, we're down here now.
Yeah, you got good control over that, I'm
Yep,
sure.
heading straight for the, you see I've already done that before, there's some electrical tape there. Just stick it under my elbow, should be good to go. Oh yeah. Oh, we're stuck on something. Alright. Not gonna happen.
No?
You know what? The grinder doesn't want to do it. What else is holding this thing on? Oh, let's get a screwdriver and hit her with a hammer. Oh, right here. And that is not a chisel. That is a flat blade.
Yep.
That rust hole? This will fix it.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh yeah, there she goes. She popped. Let me just run this right along the paint here. Maybe some comments down below. You know, you're not doing that right. There's a proper way to take a wide body kit off a beautiful Mustang like that. Well, I don't care. This is the proper certified way of doing it. That fender's got some good planing, hey?
Yeah, no kidding. The paint's not even OEM. Don't even worry about it.
Oh yeah, we got some action here. That one popped. There's that bottom one we couldn't cut. Now it's just that middle one.
I thought you cut that one.
Yeah, I just think she needs a few more slices. Ooh, that's quite the angle. Oh. They teach you in school, never put a cutting disc on an angle. I did. I never seen a cutting disc make a U before and look back at me without it being in a million pieces in my face. But you know, you only live once.
Well, you can thank thank the quality Mastercraft blades for that one.
Yeah. Yeah, those are Maximum actually. That's like Blue Point Snap-on. Get it right.
Okay, it's like Canadian Tire Premium.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, my mistake.
What the
That's
heck
why.
is holding that on? There's like another screw from the back. Oh no, it's just caught on that stupid lip thing. What are we hooked up on the bottom here? I feel like crawling underneath and seeing. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, there's another screw there. Maybe we can just fit the cutting wheel right in between the two. Just kidding.
Okay, we're gonna get back to it before I'm gonna give him a hand before he rips the fender off.
Probably a good idea because I think it's about to come.
Yeah, me too.
All right, guys, we just got that last piece off there. Just front plastic rubber body grossness done. Bye. Whole kit's off this side. It's only the bumpers now, and then just the other side. We're not gonna film the other side. You already saw us goofing around with this whole side. It's basically gonna be the same process over there. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna leave the bumpers on until we find some different bumpers for it, probably, or just leave them on because we don't really care how it looks. We just want to go fast, but this would lose some weight, and we can clean up the rest underneath and make it look a little bit better, anyways. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today. But make sure you go hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think of the videos in the comments below, and you'll probably see a lot more videos with this Mustang. But we're probably going to be moving it over to the carport. We got a big carport over there with 2 cars basically you can fit in there and still be able to like have 10 feet working room in between, so it's pretty sweet. We're going to be concreting that really soon. Sorry about the rain and the wind, it's super stormy out. We're going to be concreting that really soon, and then I'm going to probably put this car over there, at least when I'm working on it, because it kind of sucks working in here, you're on the ground and stuff, but it'd be nice on concrete floor and everything. But anyways, you'll see that in the future. We'll be working on this and the Bronco and lots of other vehicles soon for the winter because we're not racing or anything. Because we live in Canada, not Florida or the US, and winter sucks. Okay, bye.